If you are trying to set up your Zoho Books and you are not sure how to verify your account the right way, this video will guide you through it in a simple and practical way. Watch closely so you won't miss any step, because this verification is what will confirm your business identity and unlock the full features you need for proper bookkeeping. Let's get started. After you have created the account, you need to verify, as I said earlier. So in this video, I will take us through how we are going to verify our Zoho Book Cloud accounts. Once you input your email and your password, it will take you straight down to this place where you need to demand for an OTP for you to be able to verify your account. So here you click on send OTP, and an OTP will be sent to that same email that you drop. So what you need to do is to go to your email and copy the OTP, then you bring it down here. So once you come down to your email, you are going to see the message that would have been sent to you. You can see it says within 30 days you need to validate this. So you just confirm accounts, click on that link that has been sent to you, and it will take you back to this particular interface where you click on verify, and voila, it will take you here where you have your email address, blah 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 is verified, and your account is confirmed, and your account is now verified. Then you click on continue to sign in. So once you click on continue to sign in, it will load up and it will take you back to this place for you to input your password again before you can now finally have access to your main dashboard. So here we are. It has loaded up your first interface for you. If you've watched to this extent and you are yet to like, kindly click the like button so as to tell YouTube that we are gaining knowledge from this place. We are doing something wonderful here. Then it will load up for you and you will be back to this interface where you need to set up your organization profile. So in the next video, we'll be looking at how to set up our organization profile the right and correct way in the Zoho Book app. Welcome once again. I am Deborah Rafiu, the owner and the brain behind Shuladrem 247. I will see you in the next video. Let's proceed.